Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. If you press that, the number will increase and it will turn blue, and that's you helping me get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I appreciate in advance for you taking that second right underneath the video to give me that thumbs up if you're enjoying my content, and let's get started. Okay, I was getting ready to set up a video to go through some changes that I'm noticing in the Allure magazine. And when I sat down at my computer, I just got an update from Walmart. So I decided what I'll do is I'll combine them both in this video because they're both pretty much news related, and we'll get started. So the Walmart Beauty Box, if you're not familiar, it's a seasonal box that has been $5 for the longest time, I think since inception. And what's really nice about it is that includes the shipping and everything, and it's really no headaches. So like I said, it's a seasonal box. So for $5 every 3 months, you'll receive a box from Walmart Beauty. It used to be foil packs and things like that, and I really feel like they've gotten bigger and better in reference to their box. And you're seeing a picture of the most recent box that I just received. So what I'm planning on telling you, this information, it came via email, and it simply said that Walmart, better products, bigger possibilities. It says, hi there, starting with our next beauty box for the spring of 2021. And their spring boxes, they're saying start in February. So it's pretty much around now. So it says, but they're always late. Like you're going to see, I'm going to be uploading a box that I just received, and that was for what they're saying is, the winter season, and that's supposed to start in November. So their seasons have gotten better, but they always seem to be a little bit behind. Anyways, let's go back to the information at hand. So it says they're going to be making some exciting changes. They'll also be increasing the cost of the beauty box subscription to $6.98. It says they're still providing great products for your beauty box subscription at, they feel, a very competitive price. The price increase to $6.98 is the only time that they have increased their cost since the beauty box debuted in 2014. It says get ready for a few updates, starting with better, high-valued assortments and products, as well as their website. It says they look forward to bringing us on this new journey and delivering the best of Walmart Beauty. So the next bill payment, I guess, that we're going to get is going to be for that $6.98 and probably, plus tax. But as far as my memory was that we always got charged the $5, and recently, I think, due to some changes, I think we started to pay tax on it as well. So please leave in the comments down below if this is just new information that I've received, or if you're aware of any of this. I would love to know. I also would love to know if you've received the Walmart Beauty Box for as long as I have, which has been a long, long time. And like I said, it used to be solely foil packs, but now it has really turned into a really nice box. I'm excited that they're just making a small, monetary change, from $5 to $6.98, as opposed to stopping the entire box like Target did and Sephora Play and others, because as we know, the shipping costs on everything have gone up. So I'm excited that the box is still going to be available to us. And if you're not familiar with the Walmart Beauty Box, you can always Google it and check, because the Walmart Beauty Box doesn't come through the Walmart website. It is a separate site on its own. You simply type in Walmart Beauty Box and you'll see it is a completely separate login and things like that. So wanted to share that news with you. I was surprised because I didn't hear anything about this at all. So I wanted to make sure that once I get this information, you know me, I like to share it with you. As soon as I know something, I want you guys to know something too. So why I sat down to start this video, it was about the Allure beauty box. And what ended up happening was last month was the first time I received a magazine from them. And I'm going to just move some things around here. What I ended up getting is the Allure magazine, and I really enjoy getting the Allure magazine. It's one that I've used for a long time, and on the cover this time it is the gorgeous JLo, and this is their 30th anniversary issue. And as I was going through it last month, I was not seeing anything about the beauty box, any sneak peeks, which is what I usually share with you guys. And I like waiting for the magazine sneak peek simply because I know it's confirmed and it's coming from Allure. Last month, there wasn't anything about the box for this month in the magazine. And then this magazine is for the month of March. And when I opened it up, all that they were showing was what is going to be in our box for this month. There were no sneak peeks for next month. I still haven't received my Allure beauty box for this month, but I did get some tracking information today. However, with that tracking information, it takes a long time for it to start moving. So I really don't know when I'm going to be receiving it. So I'm happy that it's giving me a heads up of what's going to be in the box. I'll go through that with you guys here. But like I said, I don't have any other information of what's going to be in the box for next month. And I'm hoping that they're going to go back to giving us a couple of these sneak peeks, because to me, it helps us make a decision if we want to keep on with this box, because Allure did increase from the $15 to $23. As you guys know, when I make decisions of what I'm going to do with boxes, I share it with you. And when Allure did the price increase, they gave us the opportunity to sign up for a year ahead of time to lock in that $15 price. So I'm still locked in for that $15 up until midsummer. And then I'm going to make a decision with what I'm going to do, because then the box becomes a $23 a month box. And if there's no perks to sign up for an entire year ahead of time, I probably will go back to the month to month. And that's why I loved being able to share with you guys what was going to be in the next month, so we would know if ahead of time if it's something we wanted to continue for the next month or cancel and then just subscribe when it was a box that we wanted what was in the box. So I've changed everything of how I used to purchase Allure. I used to get the Allure on Amazon.com. When I signed up for the year, that was only available through the Allure. I really have been enjoying getting it through the Allure, even though it comes to me a little bit later in the month, because I do get a lot more information from Allure with extra deals or limited boxes, things like that, that I never received before when I was getting it through Amazon.com. So I'm like on the fence with what I'm going to be doing with this in the future. I know a lot of you signed up also for the year, and some of you even signed up before you knew about the price increase because of the mega bundle that they were giving out. And some of you have decided not to get Allure anymore from the people that have written to me. So like I said, I'm still, on the fence about this. So I am going to watch it over the next few months. And like I said, I don't have to make a decision until the middle of the summer. But I'm very excited about the box that, based on the page that I'm looking at right now, which I'm going to go through with you, I'm really excited with what's going to be in this box. And the value they're saying this month is their highest valued box ever. They're saying it's going to be over $250. But whenever they say that, there's always a little asterisk, because that price includes this bonus gift that they give for first time subscribers. So even so, I still can't believe the value. So for $23 to get a box over $200, I think is just fantastic. So one of the first few items that's in here, I think, is what's bringing the price really high, is this product that's from ULTA. And they're saying it is a resurfacing compound, and that is full size. And I think this product, it's a new brand to me, but from what I saw in some advertisements, it is definitely over $100. But like I said, I'll know more once I get the package and get to read everything about it. The other full size that's in here is from Christopher Robin. And this brand has been showing up in a couple of boxes, and they're saying this one is a daily hair cream. So I'm excited to get that, because all I've ever seen from this brand were these small little containers of a scalp scrub. The other one, that's the other third full size, and that's one of the changes they made when they upped the price to $23. They promised always 3 full size items. And this one is the Floss Lip. And this is also going to be a full size. And I had been enjoying the Floss brand, and I did get introduced to it through Allure. So very excited about that. The smaller items that are in here looks like one is a sheet mask that's 100% cotton. The other item looks like it is from Amore Pacific, which is a really nice brand also. It's a cleansing foam, but these are probably all sample sizes. And they seem to really enjoy this brand, La Roche-Posay, and this is also a small sample size in there. And the little item that you're seeing on the bottom that is from Victor and Rolf, that I think is a gift, they're saying, with purchase. So I think that's when it's for a new member. So let's just read the fine print, and it says includes a retail value for a new member gift. New members will receive a fragrance. It's exactly what this is. From Victor and Rolf, it's the Flowerball Collection. And they're saying in reference to the Amore Pacific Treatment Cleansing Foam or the Vintage Single Extract Essence, that's going to be a variation. And they're saying this will go on sale February 1st. So this is definitely what's going to be in the February box. And like I said, once I unbox it here on the channel, we'll go through everything, in more detail, and we'll do our swatches and things like that. But I just wanted to share with you that, I did get the magazine, and I did get it last month, and last month it didn't even have the sneak peek for February. So if they're planning on putting, last month's box, because this is the March magazine, and showing February's Allure box, I'm a little confused with, what their game plan is. And then the other news was about the Walmart beauty box price increase. So as always, guys, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. That's just some updates that I had, and I wanted to share them with you. And I will see you all again soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.